Light, crispy, and full of flavor, this sesame tofu salad is the perfect balance of crunch and creaminess, full of golden tofu bites, fresh veggies, and a rich, nutty sesame dressing coming together for a refreshing dish that is a must try for tofu lovers like me. So, although this isn't a fully Filipino recipe dish, but it is Filipino inspired because we infuse the tofu with a sweet marinade featuring lemongrass, garlic, and calamansi juice. And it gives a distinctively tropical and citrusy touch. Wow, that's a mouthful. Plus, it has annatto oil, which also is used in Filipino cooking. So, I really hope you guys give this a try. It is so good, and sometimes I just like to eat it with just rice and the tofu, not with a salad, because I love salad, but not every day like rice, because rice is life.